Introducing the QCI-500 Torque Tester, the industry-leading tool designed to revolutionize your torque measurement processes. This advanced tester from Advanced Witness series combines affordability, high quality, and user-friendly features to provide precise and reliable torque readings. The QCI-500 offers an exceptional value proposition, making it an ideal choice for businesses seeking an accurate and affordable torque tester. With its bidirectional measurement capability, the QCI-500 can measure both clockwise and counterclockwise torque, accommodating a wide range of applications. The tester features 3 operating modes: peak, first peak, and track, allowing users to select the most suitable mode for their specific needs. It also supports 8 engineering units, ensuring compatibility with various measurement preferences. The intuitive user interface simplifies operation, enabling users to quickly learn and efficiently utilize the tester's capabilities. The QCI-500 has a torque range of 5,500 lb in a drive size of 3/8" SQ and an accuracy of 1%. It is powered by a NIM battery and 9 VDC line input and has dimensions of 3.25 L x 3.125 W x 3.75 H, weighing only 2.5 pounds. The QCI-500 is portable and convenient to use. Elevate your torque measurement capabilities with the QCI-500 Torque Tester. Its affordability, versatility, and ease of use make it an indispensable tool for professionals across various industries. Invest in the QCI-500 and experience precise and reliable torque measurements that drive your operations to new heights.